let's go to the last part of this chapter 8. We will use what we have done through this linear extruding, like the left, to build our new car, a new shape car with this rounded car body. So that is again we try to use our new module and make that usable in our cars. So we have this extruded car body already and extend the previous module. So we will add a Boolean input parameter named rounded, and then the default value of the parameter should be false. So if it's rounded, then we will have this the starting and the end, and if it's not, it's just like this one. So what we will do is like here. So we have this rounded extruded car body. So let's starting to do this. Let's save first this as the part 4 1 rounded extruded car body. So let's analyze what we will have. We will have our Boolean. So rounded with yes or no. So we add this first. Rounded equal to, by default, is false. If that's false, is we don't have this this two sphere. And then center part is what we have done with this rotate. So let's make here center part. So let's give enough comments, then later on we will have this into of the vehicle parts. And then we have these rear parts. Let's first build these rear parts and also the front parts. So what's this rear parts? Rear parts is a sphere with the big sphere. Then we will have some resize. So the sphere is the same. So let's make it a sphere. First, the O equal to rear height. So let's copy this to here. So you can see we have two spheres in the middle. And now rear is moved to the rear, front moved to the front. So that's we will use the translate. So translate. So translate how long is the length divided by 2 on the x. So because our this shape is on the x, this axle. So length divided by 2, say y are both 0. So that is for the rear is come to the positive, and for the front should be come to the negative length divided by 2. So let's see first our position should come to there. Then what we need to do now is resize. So resize, we can do the resize before or resize after. So let's do this resize after. It's fine. So resize is for the rear. We will have this rear height, rear width, rear and rear height. So that is come to this 3 dimensions. So rear height, rear width, rear height. And if you put this outside, you need to have curly braces. If you put that inside, because it's a resize, only go to the same this statement, so you don't need our curly braces, because now it's two parts. But let's check. It's the same, because actually it's not like our 2 sentence. just one sentence. So let's use this is a resize I put inside. Just to let you know, is some program is you may consider a different order, but does not make a difference. Rear height, rear width, rear height. So that is the same. But then we will having this scale with this scaling factor. So then that's get the half size. Oh, scaling factor. Let's see. Now is good enough. Then what our Boolean value is putting here, when we have this rounded is equal to false, rounded, if rounded, then we will do this. If not, we will not draw this. So now it's here. So if we say here rounded equal true, then we will have that. So now we have our the new module for the car body with a rounded in the front and the rear. Then we can control this. Now we use this into our car. So let's first is come to the car module, the vehicle parts. So we should have that. Let me open that. New mode, open file. So as I introduced before, in Windows you have this permission issue, so all the restriction. So I need to find this way to has the bridge and the copy and overwriting the library file in the program files. So that is the module body. So this is the body, and now we have our another body. So here we have the rounded car body. So let's make, so you can see here. So let's make that below. So translate 0, 0, maybe we see minus 30 on the Z part. So let's see. Well, we just put those parts separately. Then we will use this. And what I need to do is I go to download, copy this, and go to the program file. You find your OpenSCAD libraries. I put that in self, and I overwrite this. So now I have this applied into the library. So let's create a new one. So use. You remember you need to use, and my the folder subfolder is the self and the vehicle parts .scad. Let's make the F5 no arrow means it's okay. We got that. And then let's have this car rounded car body. If I don't do anything, I go this and I should put this rounded equal true. So now I have this car body on hand. And then what we need to do is we need this Excel and this. Let's see, we also have this nice wheel. So we have the different wheel on hand. So spoked wheel. So we need this wheel. So let's see what's the wheel's perimeter. So if I put this let's have this wheel. So I have that, and what we need to do is we need to translate those to the different the position. So let's see. So if I make this, we can open our earlier file to get some the quick things. So let's go to the chapter 7. The last one is we have the pattern with car, so spoked, single car. Is that the car good enough? So we have this one. So let's give the transform. So we have those. Let's copy that. We use this, and now is I use this to replace the body. And I don't need this spoke, but I need to use this spoke wheel to replace those simple wheel. Oops. Oh, so it's this simple wheel, simple wheel. Let's see. But this rotate, it should be getting the more the back. So that is the wheel track. So this is the, maybe not this, is divided by 1.5, 1.5. And also here 1.5. That the position is looks good, but this track should be longer. Then that's give you kind of the things you can also move this one to earlier. So maybe is 1.5 as well. So 1.5. Let's see. So you can try to compare. You just compare make those rotations, wheelbase, and divided by some smaller perimeter. Then you get quite similar the car like here. So just try like what I have tried is improve your vehicle parts continuously. That will be in your, you can put that like me as well, is in the program file, your system library folder, then you can just call directly this name. So, and this will give you more convenience to just understand what parameters you need, then you can load that and you can create your, the shape is very easily. With that is we finished chapter 8, and let's back to our top is we only have one last chapter, and we will do some the math calculation altogether. So hope is you until now you learned enough for making your either 2D or 3D as the beginning of the object, then through the 2D convert to 3D, or you do the transformation with 3D, and you have also learned the looping, this if the statement to check. So that is can also help you to control how to create the bodies. See you next chapter. Have a nice day.